And if your parts could talk, nothing special about this thing. I just think that this old stuff's so cool. Old Hurst T-handle, shift knob. You know, stories this thing could tell. What kind of car or cars it's been on. You know, banging through the gears on some back road. Drag strip, who knows? This thing's all grimy. It's been used. Hell, maybe it's sat around in a parts box for years. Who knows? I like old stuff like this. I think that's neat. You know, a couple bucks, can't pass stuff like this up. That's cool.